Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Control of disease of cloves. Yeah, first is drought disease that can be caused by some pathogen like Pythium, Zocton, and Phytophthora, usually attack during the first critical period of the clove plants. The symptoms are yellowing, yeah, of the leaf uh, because the pathogen attack the vascular uh, part of the plant, and then wilting, and then dry out. And if the plant is removed, the rooting roots will appear. So you can see the rooting roots. Yeah, infected plant must be removed. Yeah, because and then burned, so they do not spread to others plant, because the pathogen will be spread from the root contact inside the soil. Yeah. But please be careful when you burn the infected plant, because in some area uh, burning infected plant is not allowed. Yeah, it's important to be careful when you burn something. Yeah. Actually, in Indonesia forest, uh, maybe you cannot burn your infected plant, so you have to find other ways to eradicate the infected plant. Now, after infected plant are removed and then eradicate, yeah, you can burn on the other ways. The plant around the infected plant that still look healthy uh, can be sprayed by copper oxychloride, 0.5% or every 5 grams dissolved in 1 liter of water. Now, the other disease is leaf disease, like spot disease caused by Glosporium and Cylindrocladium. Yeah. Leaf disease appears at the time of seedling and at the beginning of planting. It causes a plant cover to thick, so that the plant condition is become humid. So this related with the humidity again. So it's important to make sure that you do good burning to avoid the thick cover and high humidity. Now, if this is caused by Glosporium piperanthum have a symptom, the old leaf appear brownish yellow spot. This fungi can spread through the wind, and for symptom caused by Cylindrocladium auwinkeceptatum, yeah, red brown. So for Glosporium is brownish yellow spot, but Cylindrocladium usually are a red brown spot of the leaf, while in the middle of the leaf are white. Yeah, so in the middle of the leaf, white. The attack is very fast by damaging the shoot and stalk. Uh, but I'm sorry that I cannot find a good picture for this disease. Yeah, I have some, but I'm not sure this is Glosporium and Cylindrocladium, so I cannot put it in this presentation. Yeah, reduce the nursery cover to avoid high humidity. Spray using copper oxychloride 0.5% if you think that needed. Yeah, the other disease called Sumatra disease of clove, or Sumatra disease like that. In Indonesia, we call it bakteri pembuluh kayu cengkeh, that caused by Pseudomonas gyi. So, Sumatra disease is transmitted by vector Hindola striata in West Java, found as a factor for Pseudomonas CGE, and in Sumatra we found Hindola fulva as a factor of Pseudomonas CGE. So will be important to control this insect, because with control this insect we can avoid the transmitted and spreading of Pseudomonas CGE. The disease is one of the most destructive, so this is the most important disease in clove. Can cause yield loss up to 15%. Mariana research in 2013 report that Sumatra disease is very important disease for clove production. So it will be very serious disease. Yeah, because of this disease was transmitted by insect. So to help us to identify or to diagnose this Sumatra disease, we also can find the damage that caused by the insect. Yeah. So the stem borer, usually they make a hole in the stem and marked by a grinding holes. Yeah. The hole saw from outside like a sawdust. Ada serbuk gergaji seperti serbuk kayu gitu. The come out from the hole. Yeah, there is a black hole with a longitudinal direction to the stem. Now, if you find this symptom and then following by some black hole in the stem, it can be Sumatra disease, and the black stem hole is caused by the vector insect. Nah, the black hole is caused by larvae that live in and develop in the passageway made in the stem. As a result, the flow of water and nutrient will be interrupted. So the clove will be dry and up, and the leaf will be fall down. You can see the picture in the top side. There are some trees that didn't have any leaf there. It's because of Sumatra disease. Yeah. So it's how Sumatra disease look like uh, from the in the plantation area. You can see that the disease incidence is gradual, so it's not grouping, because the insect fly and attach at the trees randomly. So that's why the disease also uh, uh, appear randomly in some trees, not group and not group in just in one point. Yeah, there's a lot of book and literature that you can read to reach the information about uh, clove disease. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.